This is a guitar lesson for Ariana Grande's new song, 7 Rings. So it goes dun 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 dun. And every Friday I figure out the brand new songs that come out. I've done a few other Ariana Grande ones already. They should pop up right above now. If you're into more Ariana Grande and you want to keep up to date for future lessons when they come out on a Friday, just hit subscribe below or give the video a quick like to spread the word. I greatly appreciate it. So let's take a look at the content. Okay, so what we're going to begin with is the actual intro, the octaves. Now, there's a tab listed in the link below this. It's a handwritten tab and all the details are in it. So we've the 11th fret on D, and these tend to be octaves in this part, so octave being the higher note. Then we've the 14th fret on the B string. And I'm picking that down, up, down, up. For anybody who wants to get straight into the verse part, you'll see the time tags of the sections of this lesson linked below as well. So that would be the open chords with the capo as well, the easier version coming later. So we have the 12th fret on A, then 14 on G. Okay, so that goes 12, 14, then 12 again. Now we go 14, 13 on G. Then 9, 11 on the A and G again. And a sneaky little 10 there. So just hit a 10 on the A string, then 11. And finally a 10 on the D string. So with this tab, it could be handy to check out the one in the description below. Excuse me, that is the intro. I'll play that one more time. So it goes. Then 12, 14. Then. Okay, so that's the intro without singing. Now, when she begins singing then, we go into bar chords. The bar chords are as follows. Now, I'll tend to drop the pick for this part. You can do them with the pick as well if you wish. Okay, now, what's going on with this part is I have a C sharp minor bar chord. And again, this will be written in the tab below. That's on the 9th fret of the E string, and I have my E minor bar chord shape on. Now, with that on, what I'm doing is the following. I'm hitting E string, then I hit the rest of the strings from the D string down, and I hit the bass note again. Now, for this next quick move that links up the chords, I'm going to move my ring finger down to the 11th fret of D and my pinky onto the 12th fret of E. And I pick those same 4 strings at the bottom again, D down to the bottom. Then I lift off my ring finger, slide my pinky back fret. The move goes like this. All together. Now, that fast move is optional. You could go without it. You could go dun 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 dun. All you're doing is playing the chord twice there. The more difficult one. Now, for the next chord, we're on to an A major 7. This is your pinky on the 12th fret of A, ring finger on 11th fret of D, then flatten your index so it catches the 9th fret on G and B. So now you're going same rhythm though. We'll go thumb, rest. Okay, now that link again is optional, of course. It goes thumb, then you hit D string G, B, thumb, then hit that again, take off your thumb, or take off your pinky, move your ring finger up. Okay, that chord all together. Then we're on to an F minor 7 bar chord. That's on the 9th fret of A. Okay, same motion again with the picking. And sometimes they sneak in this G, the 3rd fret on E. So it goes. And the counting now will go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Now this last chord, and this is the last chord of it, there's 4 chords in a loop for this whole song. It's just the production that would make you think different. So it's a G sharp dominant 7th chord, which is essentially your E major shaped bar chord, and take off your pinky. And I'm picking the E string, then D, G, B. Now, that little quick note as well added in is the 3rd fret on A, or it can be the 8th fret on E, because it's going to go back around after that. So from that chord we go 1, 2, 3, and then we're back up. Like that. Okay, so now sometimes you could do, or other times you could go, what's done the recording is 8th fret to 9th. And sorry for the messing about here with the moving the guitar. This is the first video of the year. Didn't think I'd not get used to moving the guitar around, but anyways. Okay, so that's all the verse. Now, we'll do that one more time all together from the start. So it goes 3, 4, so it goes dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. And you can play around with the rhythm of those bass notes. Sometimes it'll be steady like going, or sometimes it might go. Now, here's the thing, if you have other bar chords, like the 4 chords I'm playing are C sharp minor, A major 7, which you can play up here, or you could also do it down here. Again, I'll give you options. You could do it like that. She uses that chord quite a lot in her songs. F sharp minor 7, the one I taught was here. You can also do it on here. And G dominant 7th sounds cool up here as well. Okay, I like that one. So with the song, that would sound like this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And watch where I'll go here now. Up to that G sharp dominant 7th. And then. Now, another reason I like playing that one up there is because we get to wait around this area of the fretboard then. So it's pretty, how do you say, it stays within the same tonal range, which is nice. Okay, so that is the whole song. You can test it out with different verses. Now, I am just going to get my capo. And this is how you play an easier version of it. Capo 4th fret. Now, let's say we're going for easy, 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 easy. This will be A minor. Dun, 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 dun. Then F. Dun, 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 dun. D minor. Dun, 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 dun. dun, 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 and E dominant 7th at the end. So those 4 chords are A minor, F. Now you could also do your F this way. D minor and E dominant 7th. If you're wondering how to play any of those chords, I have a chord dictionary made out since just the end of last year, and that is linked in the description below as well. Okay, so now the rhythm then would just go, you'd hit the root note of each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. Okay, so now that I said was the easy version. Now I'm going to give you the easy version. This bit has some modifications made to the chords. Namely, we've A minor, and I'm going to go back to using fingers just to rather the tone of it. We have our A minor chord, lift off your ring finger, and you get A minor 7, the shape. Or you could pick these ones. Then we get F major 7, which is essentially this open F style chord shape. And again, all these are in the chord dictionary. So you'd hit D string, hit the rest. Then you get D minor 7, which is down here. And E dominant 7th. And for bonus points, you can put your pinky 3 frets up from the capo on the B string. I like that version too, actually. Nearly sounds as good as the other one, in my opinion. Now I just add in that little bass note there. That's on my F major 7. Then add in the 2nd fret up from the capo on the D string. Nice little lead in, D minor 7. Then we get E dominant 7th shape. Then here, take your pinky away, 4th fret up from the capo, hit that one. So you're going. And that's it. And that's the whole song. Alright, that is all of 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. Need to get used to this video and crack. It's been a while. So if you have any questions, post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. So you have the easy version, you have the easier version. Easy, and easy. And then we had the version with the full-on bar chord caged sort of system moving about as well. So any questions at all, post a comment below. I'll be happy to chat. And let me know what other Ariana Grande songs you're into. And if you have any problems, just post a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and share with anybody else who may be into Ariana Grande. Thanks a million. Catch you soon.